wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit and I smash and I bam. We already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people from the tackle we are deal with today. Yeah, man, people. But even before we jump right into the track, you already know what's the procedure. Go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. You already know. Yeah, man, people, the likes and subscribe really help with the YouTube algorithm. So I really appreciate you to take this time to hit that like and subscribe button. It's totally free. Helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Helps get my video out there and help my channel grow. You don't know. Like I said, if you're fake, don't like, don't subscribe. If you're fake, don't like, don't subscribe. If you're a bad mind, don't like, don't subscribe. If you're a hater, don't like, don't subscribe. I don't want the real over here, you know what I'm saying? Only if you're real, I want you to hit that like and subscribe button. But yeah, man, people from the title, you see what I deal with today. Okay, I come with a song and a track from two artists that's no stranger to the channel, two very talented dancehall artists. This song I should actually do the day it dropped, but I didn't get around to doing it. But now I am, so I ask that you guys bear with me. But yeah, man, this collab I did not see it coming. This collab is really actually a dope collab. I want to hear the music, but in my head, Tentic and Skillibeng, come on, man. Yeah, man, people, today they had a track from two very great dancehall artists, Tentic and Skillibeng. This track is entitled Activate. You see me? I'm gonna check it out and see what I go on. But you don't know Skillibeng, no stranger to the channel, very talented. Tentic, no stranger to channel, very talented. Both know to make them bangers and then hits, and you know what I'm saying? So yeah, check it out and see what I go on. I have very high hopes for this collab. Yeah, man, I think they can do great things, and this one I wanna see more in dancehall music, more collabs and more features. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, people, we're gonna jump right now. Track. This is Tentic and Skillibeng. Activate. Let's get it. Four corner.
Four. Gualas. I be talking a mission. I feel me thing dog anywhere me go.
Easy.
Police them a come dog, we no give up.
Easy, bro. This is a banger, bro. Cause yo, that's starting. Come in, let's get it.
I feel me thing dog. Yo, activate the thing them, get the thing them active. You know the protocol, my dog, you know the badness. Hard to live them life, yeah, without sustain little damage. Pussy them, I pray with you, them sister that the chop big up so.
Ooh, yo, this song are bad. This song take me back to early dancehall when they used to make them songs that were always crossover and always dip on the charts over here, bro. This right here, it's only iconic, man. The one I'm mad, man. This song probably gonna pass over a lot of people's heads, you know. But the song I'm mad.
Some shot in my gun, I want some freedom, them a hostage. Feel like woulda let them out and see if you do that manage. Feel like woulda test them teeth since you know a savage. One like no bad and no less than all the average.
Come in, man. YouTube, come in. Stop play with thing. Right now. Come in.
Get the barrel spinning. No mercy giving. Pour some liquor for the dead and buy up enough shot for the living. Separate.
Pour some liquor for the dead and buy up enough shot for the living. Yo, come on.
The wolf them from the lion and the chicken. Boy, company crime on each other that alone fi make me kill him. Knocking and drilling, we study, you study.
Boy, company crime and I hitch that alone for make me kill him. Come on.
Beat up with him, we study him, no study singing. Listening criticism, man, I grip the mechanism. No talk tough, but when you test them no willing. Have it talk and me shot. Have it me thing dog, anywhere we go. Police them a come dog, we don't give a fuck.
Have it. Say have it. You say it talk and me shot. Have it thing dog, never. Yo, this so crazy. Say, have you talk and me shot? Have you thing that anywhere me go? Police here come, me no give up. Yo, come on.
Have you talk and me shot? Have you thing that anywhere me go? Police them a come down, we don't give a fuck. Have you thing that? Eastside Prodigy no left him think.
Easy,
Police
easy.
when them tell you.
Come in, man. East side Prodigy on the truck. I want to them, you know, you are going.
So I'm get for my killing. That is not impressive. Fear tell me fi wait on police when this life so threatening. See,
Yo, what camera are they using, bro? Whoever did this, your camera's on point. Your color grading is crazy, bro. Your cinematic, bro. Whoever did this, you're crazy.
me as dead to me. System tell we run out, gun out, then you go vote. And then when you go home, kick off your door. Them not promote where them really support. The life we live is really not joke.
Them not promote what they really support. Yo,
Pronounce you before you pronounce. Cover up with them want to cover up. Shot not cheap, me gang no sleep. We have to reach for support families.
Shot no cheap. The gang no sleep. We have to reach a support family. Come in, man.
And if that for me, na shot for beat. That is what we're doing. Mount a box my game. God believe. So some black we pin. East side that wicked. Well talking up. Them know fan war we no running on. East side gun it up shoot and punish how you shot. Burn him up crucial. Something not brutal. So we love shoot and love the gun. We not funny love use man money no hustle for me one and tough it out. Light up my weed and puff it out. Build it sang machine make money count. So my
Hustle for me one and tough it out. Hey, yo, come here.
dog them a criminal. Can't this 10 tick. Me a kill them if them this head spit. That 12 gauge boy helmet. Gun belting. War sweet like Nesquik, but for them smooth like velvet. East side rule more than a century.
Yo, bro, people that be talking about Skillibeng now the lyrics. So what I'm telling you, I want to say about that. I want to say about that one day. Because I be a lyrics man a chop a while ago. And you can't say man chat no bullshit. I'm telling you. And if you recognize talent and stop play the man thing, come in. Have you thing that anywhere you go? Yo, man, sure, real dope track. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, Tentic, Skillibeng, Activate, real mad tune, real dope track. They want the sick, man. The visual shot pan, they want the, you see me, the collab mad. The lyrics, them mad from both Tentic and Skillibeng. The flow, them mad. You know, the rhythm, the beat. Yo, this is an overall dope track, dope visuals. Let me know what y'all think. Let me hear y'all opinion. You feel me? Yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you think it's garbage or it's, you know, it's a hit. Let me know, you know, the visual, good or it's trash. If you support the artist, let me know all of that in the comment section. Definitely know where you're watching from. Drop your emojis, drop your flags and your country name. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what your favorite part of the track and visual was. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, we do it over. If you do like the track and the visual, definitely go show this artist some love and support. Let me know what that Jambisco send you. You don't know. And definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, guys, and I'll definitely get it done. You know what I'm saying? You know, we keep going, we keep growing, grinding and growing, and we keep moving forward. You know, we're not gonna stay one place, we're not gonna stay stagnant. They want to so far, but we're not far up. We keep on grinding, we keep on pushing, we're gonna take it to the top. Don't be surprised, you know. That's it, but we're not play, we're not stop, we keep on going, you don't know. Let me know what you want me to react to next, guys. I'll definitely get it done. You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here and I hitting and smashing on a banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out. Have you talked on me short? Have you everything